Taylor passing? Perfect passes to Kate. Perfect. That was not perfect. Okay, ready? Set the ball, Taylor. Perfect form. Oh my gosh. All right.
I'm gonna see if I can hit it.
Yeah, hit it. Okay.
Yeah, pass it.
Okay. Now Taylor's gonna pass the ball as Kate hits it.
Oh, okay. Ready?
Perfect. It went right into the bathroom, but that's just because Kate is too short to catch it.
Like my spandex?
Yeah, Coach. Coach, look at her spandex. They're so awesome. All right, ready?
Ready? All right,
Nice. Oh, right into my Oreos. Okay, I want her to pass in place for a couple minutes so Coach can see her pass in place.
Okay. We should shut it off for the right.
Well, right now.
Wait.
Wait, she's going to pass.
Pass in place. By she, I meant me.